Making profits in the stock market may look very quick and easy, but losing all of it is more likely if you're going to be shooting in the dark. Profitability in trading can be achieved with an in-depth understanding of concepts, coupled with the understanding of bullish and bearish sentiments. And that is why getting complete and holistic insights on technical analysis is very important before you take your shots. For trading options, we need to understand the direction of the price movement and the strength of the move. This is what makes our decisions stronger. At MTS, our course on technical analysis for option traders is your one and only handbook to learn how to trade options the technical analysis way, whether you're already in it or even an enthusiast looking out to start your journey in the derivatives market. This is your opportunity to learn all the possible technical analysis tools which are required to make your decision profitable with limited risk. So, what will you learn in this course? In the world of options, being bullish and bearish is one thing, and being very bullish and very bearish is another, as we use completely different strategies in both the given situations. This is where the understanding of Dow Theory comes in. It helps us understand the trends and its strength. How do you know whether you should plan a bullish or a bearish trade? The study of support and resistors helps us here, as these are the turning points of a trend. We will be learning about volatility and volatility bands like the Bollinger Band, and momentum oscillators like the ADX, RSI, stochastics. All these oscillators are very important validation tools while trading options. And also, we will learn about the concept of ATR, which tells us the maximum movement a stock can make each day.
We are excited to introduce a meticulously curated and detailed course using state-of-the-art technology that offers an in-depth understanding of technical analysis. Our course includes actual case studies and examples which will help you understand and implement these techniques very effectively. We also provide you with your own dedicated student portal where you will have access to not only the course content but also ebooks for every topic, along with few other tools which will be great reference material to improve your understanding. We believe that a thorough understanding of the course is very critical for your success. That is why we have included quizzes after every topic to evaluate your understanding and to ensure that you're on the right track. We also offer query solving to ensure that all your doubts and questions are resolved promptly. Our expert team is always ready to assist you and provide you the necessary guidance throughout the course.
So think again, if you're an enthusiast, homemaker, a professional or student looking for a side hustle, or anybody seeking to make a passive income in the derivatives market, would you like to take a shot in the dark or take an informed decision backed by technical expertise and skills? That's what we thought. Enroll now for the MTS Technical Analysis course for option traders and be on your way to acing the art of trading options.